Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Samsung Voice Recorder. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now just continue, tap on while using the app or only this time, choose Yes I agree and click on this red button to start your recording. You can add a bookmark by clicking on this left one over here, typing wherever you wish to or not at all and choosing OK. If you wish to pause your recording or unpause it, tap on the red button. And if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the check mark over here. Now just save at the top right corner, and as you can see my recording is over here. If you wish to rename it, you can do that by clicking on those three dots over here, tapping on rename, typing wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and choosing OK. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that by holding it, clicking on this pin icon at the top right corner and choosing delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!